What's up guys, thank you. So Flipkart has recently started dedicated a page to tease the arrival of an entertainment centric notch phone. The handset is packed with mega battery, mega screen and mega storage, claims the teaser, while the rumors mill has been speculating that it could be the Realme A1 smartphone, as Indian publication has learned from Realme that the upcoming entertainment focused will be a new variant of the Realme C1 smartphone. The Realme C1 smartphone that was announced in September and packed with modest spaces. It comes with 6.2-inch IPS LCD display. The notch screen produced HD plus resolution and 90:9 aspect ratio. The rear panel of the Realme C1 is made from glass. The Snapdragon 450 chipset powers the phone with 2 GB of RAM. It comes with 16 GB of internal storage. The Android 8.1 Oreo OS is pre-installed on the device along with Color OS 5.1. It comes with a microSD card slot for additional storage. The handset receives power from 4230 mAh battery. For photography, the Realme C1 features a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera setup and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone was introduced with a price tag of 6,999 in November. Its price was hiked to Rs 7,999. Currently, the Realme C1 is selling with a price tag of Rs 7,499.